just want to say thank you so much to all of you who have played and been part of our world. You've suffered and rejoiced with us. Thank you for sharing vodka. Thank you for fighting so well. And may goodness be to your soul. Do svidaniya. You fight like good Russian bear.
You know, over 10 years, this has become part of our lives. And thanks for letting us be part of yours.
I didn't know you were going to do that. Yes, thank you so much for letting us into your homes. Crazy characters we have, and the Ultimus, whichever ones they are. But we really appreciate it. It's been an absolute blast. And the doctor finds you all delicious. And one last thing, I hate you, Dempsey.
Thanks for letting me scream at you for 10 years, gutbags!
Thank you guys for an amazing journey. And I guess for the last time, hoorah.